Assalāmu Alaikum, this is Sazzad again, inshallah. I know some boys and girls still struggling with the pronunciation of these Arabic letters. Yeah, I know this is definitely, it's not an easy thing to get, to get hold of it, but slowly, inshallah, but gradually they will actually should be able to do it if they practice. So let me just do this thing again. I'll just explain that a little bit more, inshallah. Okay? Alif. It's very quick. Alif, not alif. That's wrong. Alif. Okay? Ba. Ta. Tha. When you say tha, you just need to take your tongue a little bit out between your two lips and between your two teeth, up and bottom front incisors. Okay, just take your tongue a bit out. We have three tongue out letters. One is tha, another one is dal, which is after dal, dal, and another one is dha. After the letter ta is dha. Okay, so it's tha, jim, not jim, g. That's wrong. It's jim. You're taking your words in, not out. Okay, it's from the middle of your tongue. Jim, shin, ya from the same place. Jim. Ha from the middle of your throat. If you divide your throat into three parts, the top part, middle part, and the bottom part. Okay. Ha, ha, ain and ha from the middle of your throat. Ain and ha from the middle of your throat. Okay. Ha, ha. Kha. That's from the top of your throat. Kha and ghain from the same place. Not kha, going. That's wrong. It's coming from your mouth, not from your throat. Okay. So it's kha, ghain. Alright? Dal. Remember, it's not dal, d. Dal, you know the dal. You eat with your eyes, the yellowish thing. It's lentils. No, it's not that dal. It's da. From dada. Dada, dadi, da. Dal. Okay? Inshallah. Dal, and this is the second tag out letter. Dal. Okay. Ra. It all comes from the tip of your tongue. Ra. Za or zay. Zay, same thing. So I better pronounce it za to make it easier. Za, az, za. Your air will come out. Okay. Sin, as. It's like a whistling sound or hissing sound. Okay, all right. Sin, sheen, ash. It's softer than sin. Sheen. Sade. It's softer than sin. Sade. Sade. Okay. Bode. Sod, zai, sin. These three letters come from the tip of the tongue, which is actually touching the the back of your teeth, the top front incisor. Sod. Sorry, the bottom front incisor. Sod, sin, zai from the same place. Okay. And bod, bod. It comes from the side of your tongue. It's touching your, the molars on the both sides, either on the right or the left, or you can balance from the both sides. Okay. Bod, ab. If you do it from the right side, you'll begin bod. Left side, bod. Balance, bod, ab. Ad. Some says that, you know, the Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do it from the left side, and maybe the Umar radhiyallahu anhu used to do it from the right side, and some people do it from the both sides together. I do it from the balanced way, like the both way. I can do it from the three ways anyway, alhamdulillah. All right. Ta, not tua, wrong. Ta. Va, that's the last tongue out letter. Va, little bit of tongue, your tongue should come out. Va, av, okay. Ain from the middle of your throat. Ha and ain from the same place. Ain, ha, ain, okay. Ghain from the top of your throat. Kha and ghain from the same place. It's not ghain, ga, kha, wrong. It should come out from your throat. Ghain, kha, ghain, okay. Fa, af. Your top of your top incisor, the top row two front incisor should, you know, the bite, the weight part of your bottom lips, not the outside, the dry part, the inside on the bottom, okay. Fa. Qaf is the backmost part of your tongue, just above where the throat's, you know, where is your throat actually finishing, then the tongue starts. So it's from there. Qaf, not ghaaf. Some boys are actually trying to pronounce it like as a ghaaf. That's wrong, 100%. Qaf. At the end there's a fa. Qaf. Okay. Kaf, just a bit forward. The back, still in the back of the tongue. When you pronounce, how to pronounce the qaf. Qaf is touching your back of the tongue is touching the soft palate at the back. You know, soft palate is your top one, the roof of the mouth. At the back there is a soft area. For your qaf, it's touching up there. Qaf. Okay, then from the hard palate, it's still the back of the tongue. It's the kaf. Kaf. Okay. Lam. Mim. Noon. Wow. For the wow, your two lips should project forward and start from there. Became tarqiq, like spread your lips, then come back again to the same place, projecting forward your two lips. Okay. Wow. Okay. Hamza and ha from the same place, from the bottom of your throat. Ha. It should not sound like ha. It's very close, middle of the throat and the bottom of your throat, but ha is ha. It's separate. Ha. All your ears should come out. Ha. Okay. And Hamza. At the end there is a ha. Hamza. Okay. It's from the same place, bottom of your throat. Ya. It's very easy. Ya. Jim shin ya. The ya. This is ya is ghayr maddiya, means no maddiya. This comes from your jaw, the hollow part of your body, like the alif. Preceded by fatha, waw preceded by a dhamma, and ya preceded by a kasra. It all comes from the it's maddiya. These three mad letters come from your jaw, but this is the ghayr maddiya, like the ya, jim, shin, ya from the same place, from the middle of your tongue, touching the roof of the mouth. Jim, shin, ya. Okay, and the last ya is used for the sila only. We'll come to the sila part inshallah in future. And also slowly get them introduced with the makhraj and the sifat section. I have the separate slides for that. You guys all need to print this out in the color so that they can see the color pictures. Alright, inshallah. I'll slowly share it to them. JazākAllāh Khaiyr, inshallah. I'll let you boys and girls practice this so that they can actually get hold of these Arabic letters, 29 or 28 Arabic letters, inshallah. Elder people can also practice, no problem. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Assalāmu Alaikum wa Raḥmatullāhi.